to go. Daily rhythm, steady gain, turning doubt to focused aim. Business minds begin to see how to move with clarity. With Ash's path we hold the line, discipline and truth align. From small steps to a wider view, we build it strong and follow through. Live every day, feel the drive. With the Redfern we come alive. Knowledge and courage light the way. We rise together day by day. Live every day, hearts on fire. Redfern lifts us higher. From vision clear to dreams that grow, we're made for more. We're set to go. Across the waves the signal flies. Hope and focus amplify. Lesson by lesson, line by line, we reshape the way we climb. No shortcuts, just the long-term way. Consistency lights the way. Live every day, loud and clear. With the Redfern we persevere. Through every step we stayed aligned. We change the heart, we change the mind. Live every day, side by side, with truth and purpose as our guide. From every voice to every goal, we rise together, heart and soul.